innovative new assembly program designed to turn math into an action-packed experience for kids. We're blending puzzles, stunts, games, and magic tricks to make math come alive. By intertwining education with excitement, we're inspiring a generation to see the magic in math. This is guaranteed to ignite curiosity and foster a love for learning in every student. Each activity is crafted to teach math terminology, concepts, and proven theories in a way that's engaging and unforgettable. Your students will be exposed to math vocabulary words like possibility, probability, area, volume, perimeter, permutations, topology, estimation, odd and even numbers, and shapes and patterns, all in an exciting, hands-on, and engaging way.
Contact Academic Entertainment to reserve a date for your school.